here are a few options you can try to fix some login issues in your Outlook. So first of all, you can go ahead to your search bar in your device, and you can go ahead and search for services. What you're gonna do is open this or run it as administrator, and once you have, you can go ahead and try finding your Microsoft access or your account sign in. So you can just go ahead to the M section and go to your Microsoft account sign in. What you're gonna do from there is just restart that service. So just go ahead and wait for the service control to finish, and once that's done, you can go ahead with the next option. So you can try your Outlook right now, but again, you can have another option over here, which is to go back to your search bar and search for your control panel. So over here, you're gonna open this up, and you're gonna go ahead to your programs. So in your programs and features, go ahead and find your Microsoft 365, and you can go ahead and try repairing that. So let's say, for example, this is your Microsoft 365, just right click and press on repair. And finally, one last option you can try is to go ahead to your device settings. So you can search for that again, but once in your S settings, you can go ahead to your apps over here and search for your Microsoft 365 again. So you can go to your installed apps and search for your Microsoft 365, but in our case, we don't really have our 365 yet. But for example, let's say we do, all you'll have to do is just go ahead here to the more options. You can go to advanced options, and in your Microsoft 365, you can just go ahead and use these options over here to terminate, repair on your reset section, and finally reset. Then finally, you can just go ahead and try re-logging into your Outlook to see if the problem still continues. But hopefully it does work for you, and if it does, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.